What is going on with ALT? So this stock went from 434 and hit a high of 36.25 within 2 days. So pretty much what I'm saying is if you would have bought in at this low of 434, you could have made just about a 776% gain. I traded this stock here this morning, and the reason why I hopped in is because it was a pre-market gapper here, and this thing was just moving. It didn't see any points of resistance, and it broke through everything. It tapped the VWAP and just freaking blew up. I got in on this candlestick right here and just made a very, very small trade, and as you guys can see, it paid out for me. Just because of this trade here was about a 63% win. You know, this isn't an everyday move, but this is gnarly. Look at this stock here. Let's pull up the different time frame. Here's 20-day. So as you guys can see, this stock was just pretty much consolidating. It wasn't doing a whole lot, but it lost. I checked the news here, and it said that it missed on the 6th, and you know, that's really the only news I could find on this. So you know, I'm not sure why this stock's gapping up like crazy, but it's, you know, I'm all for it. You know, I love to see a stock make this kind of move. You don't see this every day. You see this about once every 6 months. The last one that did this was AWX a couple months ago, but this is literally insane to see a stock do this. You know, I just find it crazy. Like, look at this chart. $4.27 hitting a high of 36.25. If you would have put $1,000 into this, you would have over $7,000. If you would have held everything in 2 days, you would have made, you know, $6,000, $7,000, however much, if not more. You know, everybody's talking about these marijuana stocks and all these other crazy things. You know, but there's other stocks out there than just those, you know, and if you think those stocks are risky, you should learn, you know, how to trade gappers. That's the best thing. So ALT, you know, was a fantastic move. I hopped in, like I said, at the break of yesterday's high, and it obviously paid out for me. Each share I got over, you know, $8 of profit for each share. That is crazy. You know, if you have a small position of 100 shares, you pretty much make $600 on this move, which is literally insane. So I just wanted to share this. This is pretty much the momentum strategy. It's a gap up in momentum. This is 100%, you know, momentum. This stock just started catching fire. It didn't really do a whole lot pre-market, but I know yesterday you could either look for two things. You could look for a short position if we can get one filled, or we could look for a continuation. And obviously this thing continued to rise like crazy. So I think that, you know, we should, or everyone should, you know, keep an eye on this stock, especially now. This would be a prime time to get in as a short position, because I remember looking at AWX and thinking, oh man, I wish I would have shorted that. And I did short it. I shorted it from $14 to about $8, and that I made decent profit off that. But imagine if I would have got in at $36 and or $32, you know, but or 28 and sell at, you know, 14. That would be a crazy move. But I would wait, you know. I'm saying multiple things here, but wait a little bit, wait, you know, a couple hours to see where the stock goes. Because with this type of momentum, this is one that is very risky, but the payouts are very large. And as you guys can see, this is obviously the largest gap up right here, and this is the largest red candlestick. So maybe we do have a reversal coming. So I think everybody should keep an eye out on this and, join in my trading group chat. I'm going to send out ALT paid out today because this thing was gnarly, and I think everybody should, learn how to do this. It's crazy. I am literally just blown away by how much this moved. 700%. These small cap stocks have no correlation to the market, like to the Dow Jones or the S&P, because these are just very small companies. But you don't see this type of move often, and you're not going to find this type of stock on CNN or on any other financial TV show. This is all going to have to be, you find your own stocks to trade. You do it. You find them. You trade them. If you turn on TV, it's all going to be, oh, yeah, buy this, buy that. But those guys, obviously, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know. It's stupid. So, I don't know. That's it, though. I hope you guys, enjoyed this video on ALT, the stock that is up over 700% within 2 days. I want to see where this stock's going. Maybe we can get another pullback and a push up. But I think it might be done for a while, and it might start to fall off. So, that's it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this brief video on ALT, the stock that moved over 700% within 2 days. 700%! Alright, so that's it. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope everybody has a fantastic rest of the week and a great weekend coming up. Take care.